When it comes to hardwood flooring, many people think the thicker the wear layer, the better. But is that really true? Let's uncover the truth behind wear layers and why they might not be as important as you think. Spoiler, it's all about the construction, not the thickness. First, the myth of thicker is better. You probably heard, get a thicker wear layer, it'll last forever. But according to tests done by our friends at Hardwood, the wear layer's thickness isn't the ultimate game changer. Here's why. The hardwood surface, while strong, can actually be more prone to scratches and dents. Why? It's all about the way wood reacts to pressure. Now, here's a pro tip for you. Instead of obsessing over wear layers, focus on the overall construction of the flooring. Number 2, the real MVP is plywood construction. Plywood layers are the unsung heroes of engineered hardwood flooring. These layers crisscross in opposing grain directions, giving you unparalleled stability. This unique construction helps to better dings and dents, even more than thick hardwood surface, and resist warping and swelling due to moisture. The wear layer may be the face of your flooring, but the plywood underneath is doing all the heavy lifting. Number 3, winner is budget hardwood flooring. Yes, hardwood is strong, but here's the truth. No matter how thick your wear layer is, hardwood can still get penetrated by heavy furniture, high heels, or sharp objects. So it helps. If you're going for a strong, stable floor, a good plywood core with a thinner wear layer works just fine. Spending extra for a thicker wear layer? Honestly, it may not be worth it. Number 4, stability beats thickness every time. Have you ever seen solid hardwood floors buckle or warp after a little water spill? That's because solid wood doesn't have the built-in stability of engineered hardwood. Engineered flooring's crisscross plywood layers make it less prone to gaps or shifting over time, and better for moisture-prone areas like kitchens or basement. Now here's a pro tip. Stop sweating over wear layer thickness and start thinking about where the floor will be installed. Number 5, sanding? You'll probably never need it anyway. A big selling point for a thicker wear layer is the ability to sand and refinish multiple times. But let's be honest, how often are you really sanding your floors? Most homeowners sand their floors once or twice in a lifetime, if ever. A lot of homeowners think they'll refinish their forever floor someday, but in reality, over 90% of them never did. So, save your budget by choosing a high-quality engineered floor with moderate wear layer. It will still look great decades later with proper care. Number 6, you can still repair small dings. Are you worried about those little dents or scratches? Don't be. Many modern finishes are designed to make repairs easy. With products like repair kits, touch-up markers, or even professional recoating, you can keep your floors looking brand new without needing a super thick wear layer. Number 7, focus on the finish, not the thickness. The type of finish on your hardwood matters more than the wear layer's thickness. A durable, UV-cured polyurethane or aluminum oxide finish can resist daily wear and tear far better than a thick, unprotected layer of wood. We understand that the flooring and home improvement project is a big investment, and it can feel overwhelming trying to choose the right materials and installer. That's why we created a simple process to guide you, ensuring you make decisions that bring peace and mind and protect your investment. Our goal is simple: to empower you with the knowledge to make informed, confident decisions. We'll present all the options, walk you through the pros and cons, and leave the choice to you, because you deserve clarity and control over your project. And one more thing. In this industry, 2 things matters most: chemistry and trust. Chemistry is natural. It's about finding someone you feel good working with. Trust, however, is something we earn through every step of the process. When you choose us, you're not just hiring contractors. You're building a partnership with a team committed to your success, just like we've done for so many past and repeat clients. Do you have any more questions? We're here to help. Email us anytime at hello@redeemflooring.com.